Very good morning, children. In this video, you will be learning what happens to the number or the objects. Like when you remove the same number from the given number, what will be the answer? Shall we check from this video what happens? Now here we have again 10 stars. Okay, I have given you 10 stars and I am asking you to remove all the 10. So what happens when you remove all the 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I remove all the 10, what is seen here? Nothing. So what is nothing? You have learned the concept earlier? Yes. Nothing is always represented by 0. Right? So you don't have anything here. So it is 0 we say it as. So we call it as like 10 minus 10. So you write it this way, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So you don't have anything remaining. So you call it as, you write it as this way, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now let us have a look with another number also. Let me give you here 5 stars. We have 5 stars, so 5 minus 5. So what will be the answer? When you remove all the 5 from 5, again your answer is going to be 0. See here, you have 5 stars and I am removing all the 5 from here. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, so this is the concept of 0, that is when you remove the same number from the given number, the answer is going to be 0. And one more thing you should understand, children, in subtraction I have always asked you to remove the smaller number from the bigger number. Did you observe that? I gave you 3 minus 1, right? You remember? I gave you 3 circles, okay, and then from this I ask you to remove only 1. So you get remaining as 2. So your answer will be 2. Why do we have to do? If I ask you to remove 3 minus 4 means what will happen? Is it possible for you to remove a bigger number from the smaller number? I have only 3. Is it possible for me to remove 4? Where do I go for another number? It is not there. So, in subtraction, you should remember we can always subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, so only if you have 3 numbers, you can remove 1. Only if you have 3 circles, you will be able to remove 2 out of it. If you have 3 and again 3 you have to remove, also is possible, because once you remove everything you get answer as 0, but you cannot remove 4 from 3. This cannot happen because you won't be having that many number of objects to remove it. You understood? So always remember, we will be removing the bigger number, we will be removing the smaller number from the bigger number. So this can happen. 4 minus 3 means what happens? I have 4 circles and then I am removing 3 out of 4. So I will be having 1. Is that clear to you? I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us meet you in the next video. Thank you.